There has been a great debate on what drives the economy, whether it is labor or entrepreneurs. Factors of production is the inputs used in the production of goods and services. The four factors are land, labor, capital, and enterprise. Land is the natural resources for production. This can range from agricultural land and crops to raw materials such as oil and gold. A group of French economists called the physiocrats believe that land generated economic value, but this can depend on the type of industry, such as a technology company being less reliant on land. Labor are the human workers who help produce the good. This includes doctors, engineers, teachers, and other occupations. Karl Marx himself believed labor primarily drove production. Some labor requires more skill, so will be paid more due to higher demand. Capital are the goods used to create products. This is usually machinery that can mass produce output or other technology such as computers. And finally, enterprise is the entrepreneur who invests and starts the business, either through savings and bank loans, and leads all the other three factors of production to produce the good or service. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.